Several hundred people took to the streets in Tbilisi on 1st of March to protest poor labor safety measures after 2 construction workers were found dead at a construction site. Both men, 26 and 40 respectively, allegedly died due to a landslide caused by the construction work. "The city is full of death," protesters chanted, referring to the Tbilisi mayor's election slogan, "City Full of Life." They demanded officials take responsibility for the workers' deaths. "The officials have to prove they care about human life, our lives, and our rights. We will not disperse until the government stops killing and torturing humans," protesters said. In recent years, workplace safety has gained public attention in Georgia, with dozens of protest rallies by workers, activists, and unions following workplace accidents. According to statistics provided by the Interior Ministry to the Public Defender's Office, 59 people died and 199 were injured in 2018 due to work-related accidents, which greatly exceeds the numbers from the previous year. Data obtained by OC Media from the Ministry of Internal Affairs shows that from 2010 to 2017, 359 people were killed and 984 injured in workplace accidents. After a constant push from protesters, Georgia adopted a law on occupational safety in February, granting inspectors new powers to examine all workplaces in the country without a court order or prior warning. However, the law does not come into force until 1st of September. Protesters who gathered near the fatal construction site were demanding that officials show up at the rally. When they tried to block the road, they clashed with police. As a result, 4 activists were detained. The rally ended with activists announcing the creation of a civil movement.